It's raining outside, so I think I'll make a parrot. No, health and safety people, do not follow my example. Goggles, air defenders, gloves. Got some claws. Chamfer it down a little bit to make the pointy bits of the claws. Got some legs, oh yeah. Claustrophobia. I need a beak. Painting, yum. Armature done. Upstairs now. I'm going to make a red tail. Here's some bits of car bumper. Now I've made the red tail out of car bumpers, I'm going to make the silver body out of wheel trims. Legs now. I'm going to use these. I'm going to pad out the breast now. This has got some texture. It's come from road rash. Perfect. Parrots occasionally have inaccessible places, and so in order to facilitate access to these places, occasionally I have to make my own tools. Trying to get it just right. Fake wheel nuts. Perfect for glittery little parrot eyes. "45 centimetres. That's the size of the piece I've got to find. A bit of drilling and tapping. I wasn't happy with the neck length, so I took all of this off, extended the head and put all this back on again. Just putting the mark on it and finished.